Today we're diving into the future with 15 of the best Amazon smart gadgets for apartments in 2025. These aren't just gadgets, they're ingenious solutions designed to maximize your space and simplify your life. From a pull-out sofa bed with hidden storage to a dishwasher that requires no installation, these products prove that clever design and advanced technology are the ultimate tools for modern apartment living. It's time to transform your apartment into a smart home.
First on our list of smart gadgets for apartments is this multifunctional sofa bed for just $300. It instantly transforms any room, making it the perfect solution for modern, compact living. The built-in storage chaise is a game changer, giving you plenty of space for blankets and pillows. This smart design saves valuable apartment space while keeping everything neatly organized. With a thick, high-elasticity cushion and skin-friendly boucle fabric, this is a two-in-one gadget that offers both a comfortable sofa and a durable, convenient bed for any guest.
Next, this swivel towel rack is a smart space-saving gadget for just $19. Its unique four-arm design gives you more room to hang towels and clothes. Each arm can rotate 180 degrees, allowing you to easily position items for drying or to save space when not in use. It holds up to 31 pounds, proving its strength and durability. Constructed from rust-proof stainless steel, this rack is built to last. Its classic, simple design matches any modern home style, keeping your space tidy and organized. These laundry baskets are a genius space-saving gadget for just $15. With a self-standing structure and ultra-large capacity, they hold 2 full loads of laundry. The durable handles make it easy to carry laundry up and down stairs or to the laundromat. The waterproof interior keeps wet items contained and is easy to clean with a wet cloth. The most impressive feature is the collapsible design. When not in use, they fold completely flat, so you can easily store them away and reclaim your space. Next, this oven rack is a smart adjustable solution for just $30. It's an expandable shelf that adjusts to fit your needs, perfect for maximizing vertical space in any apartment kitchen. Made from sturdy carbon steel, this rack can hold up to 110 pounds, so you can safely store a microwave, pots, and other kitchen items. In its easy, no-drill installation and non-slip feet, this rack is the ultimate space-saving gadget. It's a quick and clever way to get your kitchen organized and save tons of time. This wine glass holder is a smart and stylish gadget for just $24. It instantly saves space by storing up to 12 wine glasses under your cabinet, keeping them organized and accessible. Made from durable, rust-proof stainless steel, this rack is built to last and easily accommodates multiple glass types. Its sleek design makes it a beautiful addition to any apartment kitchen. With a simple screw-in installation, you can have a tidy and elegant wine glass storage solution in minutes. It's a clever and essential item for maximizing every inch of your space. Next, this folding tabletop ironing board is a brilliant space-saving gadget for just $99. Its ultra-compact design folds in half. One in the less mad that folding tabletop all resulted. This is truly a smart design with an integrated storage solution for your iron and a convenient hook for easy hanging. It keeps all of your ironing essentials organized and out of the way. Despite its small size, it features a generous ironing surface and advanced drip lock technology. It's an efficient, all-in-one solution that transforms a chore into a breeze. Next, these clothes storage bags are a genius solution for just $17. Their flexible design and massive 60-liter capacity are perfect for organizing clothes and linens in any small apartment. Each bag features reinforced handles for easy transport and a see-through window that lets you quickly see what's inside. This smart design saves you time and effort. Since they have no rigid sides, they can fit into any tight space and fold completely flat when not in use. They're a simple yet essential gadget for keeping any small home organized. Next, this storage ottoman is a genius space-saving gadget for just $24. It's a multifunctional piece that adds ample storage and extra seating to any apartment. The intelligent foldable design allows for quick assembly in seconds and can be easily folded away when not in use. It's a versatile solution for books, blankets, or clothes. With a durable build that can support up to 660 pounds and a sleek, elegant design, this ottoman serves as a storage box, a footstool, or even a coffee table, making it a truly smart piece of furniture. Lift-top coffee table is a genius multifunctional gadget for just $74. Its smart design instantly transforms your living room into a convenient workspace or dining area. The practical lift-top design raises smoothly and quietly, while the spacious hidden compartment and side shelves offer ample storage to keep your apartment neat and tidy. This durable table is the ultimate space-saving solution. It's a stylish and incredibly clever piece of furniture that every small apartment needs. Electric kettle is a smart two-in-one gadget for just 40 bucks. This versatile, portable kettle replaces multiple appliances, perfect for any small apartment or dorm room. It's a hot food cooker that lets you boil or stew with adjustable temperature and timing settings. You can make everything from coffee to ramen and soups, all with one device. This compact and lightweight gadget is designed for rapid heating and features a non-stick ceramic liner for easy cleaning. It's a modern and intelligent way to save space and time. This folding chair is a revolutionary space-saving gadget for just $99. This wall-mounted seat effortlessly folds away when not in use, making it an ideal solution for any small apartment. Its stable and durable design can be used for multiple purposes, from a convenient shoe stool in the entryway to extra seating in the living room. With a quiet, noise-free folding mechanism and high-quality, eco-friendly materials, this clever gadget is the perfect blend of modern convenience and sleek design. Clothes Drying Rack is a genius space-saving gadget for just $80. With its unique tripod structure, it provides perfect stability in a limited space. This rack features 12 metal rods and can hold up to 45 pounds of garments. It's the perfect solution for apartment living where you may not have a dryer, and it's also rust-proof for both indoor and outdoor use. This smart and sturdy rack easily opens and folds for compact storage. It's a clever, low-profile gadget that helps you maximize every inch of your small space. Next, these clothes storage bags are a genius solution for just $17. Their flexible design and massive 60-liter capacity are perfect for organizing clothes and linens in any small apartment. Each bag features reinforced handles for easy transport and a see-through window that lets you quickly see what's inside. This smart design saves you time and effort. Since they have no rigid sides, they can fit into any tight space and fold completely flat when not in use. They're a simple yet essential gadget for keeping any small home organized. Next, this mini portable dishwasher is a game-changing gadget for just $269. Its compact design is perfect for any apartment, yet it holds over 30 dishes in a single load. This is a truly smart solution. It requires no installation, with the option to use a built-in water tank or connect directly to a faucet. It even has 6 different washing programs, from quick to baby care. This 3-in-1 gadget is a dishwasher, a sideboard, and a dryer. It uses hot air drying and saves up to 80% more water than hand washing, making it a perfect and eco-friendly appliance for a modern home. Next, this door shoe organizer is the ultimate space-saving solution for just $17. Its smart, over-the-door design helps you reclaim floor space and keep your apartment tidy. With 24 deep, breathable mesh pockets, it can hold up to 40 pounds, proving its durability and strength. It's also perfect for storing cleaning supplies, pantry items, or craft supplies. This organizer requires no hardware to set up and is easily foldable for storage. It's a genius, multi-purpose gadget that brings a new level of organization to any small space.